Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, pag-aaralan natin ang fractional exponents at kung paano i-convert ito into radical form and vice versa.
Like a Hellcat.
At first, write each in exponential form. Okay, gawin mo natin tong cube root of x raised to 2. Okay, para i-convert ito into exponential form, tignan muna natin yung exponent at yung index. So, exponent is 2, tapos yung index is 3. Ngayon, kunin mo yung radicand, which is yung x, yung nasa loob ng radical sign. Yung exponent sa loob, yun yung numerator. And yung index, yun yung denominator. So, the cube root of x raised to 2 is equal to x raised to 2/3. Ganun lang po kasimple. Next, the square root of y raised to 5. So, kunin natin yung radicand, y. And then, yung exponent niya is 5. So, ang numerator is 5. And then, sa index, walang nakalagay na number. Pero automatic, that is 2. Square root of y raised to 5 is equal to y raised to 5/2. Next, the fifth root of 8. So, yung radicand is 8. Pero wala siyang exponent. So, it means yung numerator is 1. And denominator is 5. So, the fifth root of 8 is equal to 8 raised to 1/5. Next, the fourth root of 7x. So, kunin natin yung radicand, which is 7x. And again, wala siyang exponent. So, automatic, that is 1. And the index is 4. So, that is 1/4. Pero di pa yun yung final answer. Dapat ilagay mo sa close and open parenthesis. Next, the fifth root of 2xy raised to 3. Okay, so napapansin nyo, yung y is may exponent. So, yung exponent na 3 na yan, sa y lang yan. Yung 2 sa x, wala yung exponent. So, pwede natin siyang isulat na ganito. The fifth root of 2x tapos fifth root ng y raised to 3. Pagsamahin mo lang yung may parehang exponent and then hiwalay mo yung naiiba. So, fifth root ng 2x, 2x, the quantity of 2x raised to exponent is 1, and then the index is 5. So, 2x raised to 1/5. And then yung fifth root of y raised to 3, yun naman ay y raised to 3/5. Next, the cube root of a raised to 2, b raised to 4. Okay, sa paghiwalayin natin kasi magkaiba yung exponent. Cube root ng a raised to 2. So, that is a raised to 2/3. Mauuna lagi yung exponent, tapos yung index sa baba. And then b, so 4 yung exponent, so 4/3. Kasi 3 yung index. Okay, so, tandaan nyo lang, yung exponent is yung numerator, and then yung index is yung denominator. Yung nasa loob, yung nasa taas, and then yung nasa labas, yung nasa baba. Next, convert naman natin yung mga may fraction na exponent into radical form. So, first, x raised to 1/2. So, x, and then dahil 1 yung numerator, so 1 yung exponent, or kahit hindi na natin ilagay. And then 2 yung denominator, so that is square root. So, x raised to 1/2 is equal to the square root of x. Next, y raised to 2/3. So, kuha natin yung y. And then sa exponent niya, yung numerator is 2. So, that is y raised to 2. And then yung denominator is 3. So, yung index niya is 3. Next, 2x raised to 1/2. Okay, so let's make it clear. So, yung 2, wala siyang exponent. Yung x, meron siyang exponent. So, dito, sa quantity of 2x raised to 1/2, pareho silang may exponent na 1/2. Dito, yung x lang yung may exponent. So, ang gagawin natin, separate natin yung 2 sa x. Okay, so yung exponent, yung numerator niya is 1. So, wala siyang exponent nilalagay. And then, yung denominator is 2. So, yung index is 2. Or kahit di na natin ilagay. So, that is 2 the square root of x. Next, ito sinasabi ko, the quantity of 2x raised to 1/2. So, pareho na silang may exponent na 1/2. So, that is 2x. Then, 1 yung numerator. So, kahit wala na. And then, 2 yung numerator. So, kahit hindi natin lagay yung index. So, yan yung pagkakaiba ng 2x raised to 1/2 at the quantity of 2x raised to 1/2. Next, the quantity of 5x plus 3 raised to 3/4. So, dahil may close and open parentheses, so magkakasama lahat yan. So, pare-pareho silang ma-exponent na 3/4. So, this 5x plus 3. Then, lagyan din natin ng close and open parentheses. Then, yung numerator is 3. Then, may denominator is 4, so 4 yung index. The quantity of 5x plus 3 raised to 3/4 is equal to the 4th root of the quantity of 5x plus 3 raised to 3. Next, 9x raised to 1/2, y raised to 1/3. So, magkakaiba na sila ng exponent. I-separate natin sila. So, it is 9 and then x raised to 1/2 and then y raised to 1/3. Tignan mo natin yung exponent ng dalawa. 1/2 saka 1/3. Okay. So, kunin natin yung LCD nila. Ano kaya yung LCD ng dalawa? So, it is 2, 4, 6, 8. Yung isa, 3, 6, 9. So, anong pagkakaparas nila? 6. So, the LCD is 6. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So, times 1, that is 3. So, 1/2 is equal to 3 over 6. And then 6 divided by 3, 2. Times 1, that is 2. So, 1/3 is equal to 2 over 6. So, pwede na natin isulat ito as 9 x raised to 3 over 6. And then yung y raised to 2 over 6. So, yung exponent ng dalawa ay pareho na ng denominator. Pwede natin isulat ito as, dahil walang exponent yung 9, separate natin yung 9. Then, pwede natin isulat to as x. Yung numerator niya is 3. Yung y, yung numerator is 2. And then, denominator is 6, pareho. So, yung index is 6. So, that is equal to 9, 6 root of x raised to 3, y raised to 2. So, ganyan ang pag-convert ng fraction exponents into radical form and radical form into fractional exponent. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayo natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.